Well, thanks for staying with us right here on the bulletin. Now to get you the other top stories of the day. In a blow to the BJP, party strongman and former Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa had been sent to jail for 7 days in a land scam case. Now, after much drama all through the day today, Mr. Yediyurappa surrendered in a Lok Ayodhya court and was sent to judicial custody until October 22nd. Now, this comes after special court hearing land cases against the BJP leader rejected his anticipatory bail plea and issued an arrest warrant.
Alright, a arrest warrant has been issued. It can be executed at any point of time. 7 days time has been granted to the investigating officer to execute it and report back to the court as such. And any day in between these 7 days, he can execute the warrant.
What is your next step legally? What do you hope to do now?
We will be challenging the order of the trial court in the High Court, because a rejection of a bail application in a private complaint is very, very rare and remote, and in 100 years of judicial history, this is the first of its kind.
For B.S. Yediyurappa, going to jail is a major embarrassment for the BJP at a time when the senior party leader L.K. Advani is on his Rath Yatra against corruption. But the party says that it will continue to support Yediyurappa as the charges against him have not yet been proved. Well, on the flip side, the Congress has said that Yediyurappa's arrest has exposed the BJP's doublespeak on the issue of corruption. It claims that the BJP doesn't practice what it preaches. Well, Abhishek Manu Singhvi, the Congress spokesperson, also spoke up on the arrest made, saying that it speaks volumes of the morality practiced by the BJP. Here's more from that comment.
And it is that person who has been found prima facie by a court not to be entitled to bail. I think it speaks volumes for the morality practiced by the BJP, constantly preaching without practice, and it is only the obstinacy of the BJP which has prevented many other similar cases in the BJP from going down the same slippery slope. But clearly, you have here yet another reiteration of the BJP's very severe indictment.
Well, definitely a matter of time to wait and watch what happens. Time to take a quick break here on the bulletin. But on the other side, actor Aamir Khan is sporting a very new look. What's with the new avatar? We'll get you all those details when we return, so stay with us.